gentlemen, welcome to Hong Kong.
Hong Kong does not wake up slowly. By the time you are up, the fish markets have already been emptied and restocked once.
And between a 60-year-old tea diner and a bakery that ferments their bread for 48 hours, deciding breakfast is already a mental crisis.
This is a city where nothing actually grows.
And yet, everything tastes incredibly fresh.
We took 10 steps and the food has changed completely. This is why I love this city. It is super convenient, clean, and of course, it inspires you to be a little more healthier.
And yet, some people still order the same thing.
You know, you cannot come here and not order a proper cha-cha and tang breakfast. It's like a unsaid rule.
But if you don't know why that milk tea is strained through the cloth, do you even deserve it?
Natasha, it was just those 5 minutes. Huh? Those 5 minutes when you asked me, I forgot, and not like any tourist would care about it anyway.
I think chefs should.
So you think you know Hong Kong better than me?
No, I don't think that. I just know that.
You know what? Let's just leave it. कोई फायदा नहीं है इसके बारे में argue करने का.
Exactly. It's like your word against mine.
And not like magically this channel that we're shooting for God will send someone for us to force this competition that we have on them.
Exactly.
Rashmi, I don't think we can Google the best food in Hong Kong.
यहाँ पे everything is Michelin something.
Wait. I know a guy who's obsessed with Hong Kong. Let me text him.
What?
You know how we can settle this?
How?
2 of our friends are hungry and they are in Hong Kong.
Guys! Hello.
How are you?
Really good.
Is this your first time in Hong Kong?
No?
No, we've been here before, but not truly been here before. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I know exactly what you mean. And only one of us here really knows the real Hong Kong.
Yeah, with that she means me.
Guys, तुम दोनों ठीक हो?
Yeah. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. What are your plans?
वैसे तो हमने कुछ ऐसा प्लान नहीं किया है. जहाँ दिन लेते हैं?
Let me show you around. Guys, I have been to Hong Kong more times. I've seen my second cousin. I can show you the city better.
Oh yeah? It is a challenge.
Guys. We are so in. Let's do this. This is the kind of adventure we love.
What?
2 chefs trying to one-up each other while we get to experience the best food in the city.
We are so hungry. Let's go.
Chalo, let's go. Right.
Welcome to the real Hong Kong. Cha-cha tanks, aka diners, are found all across Hong Kong. They aren't built for Instagram stories, but for people who have a meeting in 8 minutes.
And this is patience. You know, this is a side of Hong Kong that nobody gets to see.
Grind that tencha leaves in house.
Yeah, every single day. It's beautiful.
They are so fast and efficient.
I know.
This is fast food even before fast food existed.
This looks like the food that my mom would make when we was late for school.
Exactly. This is comfort food and it tastes heavenly.
यार ये खा के ना मुझे मेरे स्कूल के बस ड्राइवर की याद आ गई.
बस ड्राइवर की क्यों?
साला हमेशा मुझे गुस्सा देता था because I was always late.
Well, I can totally believe that because you were late today also.
Matcha cheers.
Matcha cheers. Cheers. This is matcha.
Yep, this is the real deal. The matcha that we keep having, feels like store-bought, something that's been kept like a powder for weeks. But at Aokomi, they source their matcha from Uji in Japan. They get those leaves that are handpicked by them, and then that grinder that we saw, उसपे इसको grind किया गया है. I think when you take something like this, which is so slow-paced, and you put it in a fast city, that is where you find perfection. Feel good. Are you feeling good?
I had some amazing matcha.
See.
Chalo.
हाँ,
Take some photos.
मैं तो चला अपने फोन पे. क्या है कवनीत? Anila? अरे try telling them I was a guest judge on MasterChef Australia, India. Even a late night table will work. Come on, I really need this. Come on. Okay, bye.
Guys, this was great. But I need some food now. I don't want to be hungry in Hong Kong.
Oh, bro, hungry in Hong Kong, not on my watch. It's time for lunch. Rashmi, let's go. And Anant, you are more than welcome to join us because these are the best dim sums in the world. Let's go.
Hello,
Come
hello.
on.
Best dim sums we are going to eat.
Arey, old story.
Anand,
Come, Rashmi.
let's
Let's
go.
go. Let's go.
Wow, it looks like we've time traveled to the past.
Yeah.
But in like a good way.
Yeah, and you know, this place has been here since 1930s. It's almost like going to be what, 85, 90 years, and it's spick and span, looks beautiful, and I love those clocks, the
Yeah.
grandfather clocks as I like to call them, the old chandeliers.
All the wood paneling, very
cute.
old school. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is this? This is
No QR codes, no PDFs, no typed menus.
menu hai.
ये menu है. A pencil to just tick what you want. Of course, we have a language
thank
barrier.
God we have an English one.
We have enough options here today to choose our dim sums
I'll
and
leave that
dessert.
on you.
Fair enough. In the meantime, you know what you can start doing is you can start cleaning. It's a traditional practice they follow here.
My mom will be very
Happy.
glad to see this.
Beautiful. Are we ready for some tea?
Yes, please.
चलो जब तक हमारा खाना आ रहा है let's get some tea rolling and like I like to say tears. So refreshing and nice.
It's nice.
It's beautiful.
The food here feels simple but confident and not basic at all. Like what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, I get it.
This place is wow. I have never been to a more beautiful restaurant than this. It kind of feels like the inside of Oriental Express.
Yeah, I totally agree. And this place has been around since the 1960s.
Wow.
And the food is as good, if not better. And the views, the interiors, stunning.
Is this the fancy dim sum place?
Not fancy, I would say it's refined.
Ah,
This place has held a Michelin star for over a decade.
wow.
Hello, my name is Cedric. I'm the restaurant manager, one Michelin star restaurant, Manwa, at the Mandarin Oriental, Hong Kong.
Manwa has been around here for decades and still holds a Michelin star. How do you maintain that consistency for so long?
So on the service side, we will closely conduct the training with my team regarding frequently food tasting with my team to understand more about the ingredients from our menu.
So, what is that one dish that you would recommend everybody to try at Manwa?
So in a Manwa menu, what I would very highly recommend will be our char siu, the barbecue pork, which is a very traditional barbecue items.
So, as a chef, I know that Cantonese cuisine is very, very technical. Where do you think that complexity lies in?
So I believe the most important is how the chef he sourced the fresh ingredients in our menu and about the scenery for the ingredients, and the important is the art of the wok hei in the Chinese cuisine.
Okay.
Cheers. Dude, I can't believe I've waited this long to experience a real Hong Kong.
You know what I love about old school places like these, that they work in a certain format, razor sharp and focused.
Yeah, it's like they're not trying to impress anyone,
Yeah.
They just want to serve you the best food.
Yeah. अच्छा खाना खाओ और घर जाओ.
Can I curse? Because this is fucking amazing.
Nice.
Dude, this is hard. How can it be so real?
I know.
Wow.
So Rashmi, lunch was just round 2 because we are just getting started. Guys, welcome to the sneaker heaven of Hong Kong! Yeah! Come on, chal, aaja. No, this is my vibe.
Yeah.
I looked at it and I felt like it's my vibe.
Time to put my other skills to test, which is haggling.
Hey, nice.
I had no plans of buying all this, but here we are.
Same.
Mazedar, mazedar. Oh, oh, oh.
How was your shopping?
Yes!
Why did you jump?
Why did you jump?
Should we also jump?
Yes! Come on!
Why are we jumping?
Did you?
Did you also?
How long have you been trying?
Since morning. How long have you been trying?
Since morning. Did you get a spot?
9:30.
9:30! Wow!
Guys, तुम लोग spice की तरह क्यों बातें कर रहे हो?
अरे तेरे को बताएंगे. चलना. आजा.
Guys, this feels like we're in a James Bond movie, right?
Welcome to the dark side.
That too in Rosewood Hotel, Hong Kong.
You know, this is one of the most awarded luxury hotels in the world. In fact, Hong Kong takes pride in this being world's #1 hotel.
Wow.
And Dark Side is known for the rare aged spirits and cocktails. And they have jazz night over here, which makes the place feel timeless.
Wow. Why is it called Dark Side though?
Yeah, actually, it is sort of tongue-in-cheek.
Yeah.
But it also has an old story attached to it. In the 1800s, this side of the harbour, Kowloon, had sort of lesser access to it. It was quieter, rougher, grittier, and hence they started calling it the dark side.
That's why he was stressed all day.
हाँ, मतलब I was okay.
I was not stressed at all. He was the one making calls and telling, hey, MasterChef Australia.
Oh, and you
Guys,
did
guys. Let's call for cocktails, bro.
First night, guys, in Hong Kong.
What a great start.
Wow.
Look at this caviar on top of this gyoza. And that crispy net.
How's it?
So guys, we have something to say.
I know we have to score you on our experience, but we've come up with our own metric.
So we discussed and realized whenever we had something good today, we went quiet for a moment.
Because that's what good food does to you. It gives you a moment of silence. So guys, we'll be scoring you on the basis of
How many moments of silence you gave us throughout the day and did not keep us hungry and hungry.
That's perfect. So let's see which one of you got more moments of silence.
So, based on food and recommendations, both of you gave us equal amounts of moments of silence.
Hey.
because Natasha got us this table, but Saransh only managed to get us the bar seats. This moment of silence goes to Natasha!
So congratulations, Natasha. But don't get used to this. And guys, lots more adventure and meals are pending.
Yes, I am excited for tomorrow for a fun breakfast, lots of seafood, and we have a surprise for both of you.
So cheers to never being hungry in Hong Kong.
Cheers. Central is where the city hustles.
And Sai Kung is where the city breathes. You know, vibe slow hai, but food ka obsession is the same.
Lunch of my dreams.
Spirit of Hong Kong and flavors here. You know what's on that side of Sai Kung? Water sports.
I'm officially hungry in Hong Kong.
Are we both thinking of the same place for dinner?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Cheers.
Cheers.